Well, the delivery guy just came and went and he dropped this off. This is a mini compound bench with adjustable dovetail gibs ensuring minimum play. So I got this for my very inexpensive drill press to see if I could help make my drilling a little more accurate, especially like on longer vertical things. So let's unbox it and see what's inside, see if it's any good. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Not even taped shut. Okay, some instructions. And, oh, it's assembled. That's interesting. Some mounting hardware. Looked like on the outside of the box it was not assembled. Yeah, it's kind of cute. And won't call it terribly smooth in its action, but it's not terrible either. Okay, let's see what else we got. This is the mounting hardware to put up here to hold stuff on it. Let's open that up and take a look inside. It comes with these clamps, and I got this plastic handle clamped in here. I have put on the handles, and they're aluminum with a steel bolt through there. This is for adjusting the play in the slide right here, and then there's 3 more along this side. There's a little bit of looseness in the handles. It's not bad. I mean, this is like 30 bucks, I think, with delivery. And what else is interesting? From the instructions, it is 310 millimeters, I guess, this way, and 90 millimeters this way, so 9 centimeters and 31 centimeters rather this way. So this is like a third of a yard, or roughly a foot. And I will have to investigate how we set the play in the handle, see if I can improve on that. That'll be another video. And what else would you want to know about this? I don't know. I mean, overall, my first impression of it is that it's pretty good. I'm going to have to add some grease to it. It's a little stiff. Probably work it in a little bit. But overall, it's, you can see the thread back here. They got this sliding cover that I pushed out of the way. The bottom side like this, and you can see the thread here. So yeah, mounting plate and all of that. So yeah, I think my first impression is for 30 bucks, it's not too bad. I will go work on it, see if I can improve it, and that will be another video. I'll put it on the drill press and see how it does for drilling and for a little light milling. Okay, well, that was it. I hope you found that interesting for this mini compound bench. There's no brand name on it. It's a model 6300. Yeah, and they don't even list their name anywhere on the box. Okay, again, I hope you found it useful and interesting in your future home projects, light milling, drilling, whatever you're doing.